Hello students, today we will solve exercise 7.1. In question number 1, find the distance between the following pairs of points. In first part 2, 3 and 4, 1. Second part minus 5, 7 and minus 1, 3. In third part AB and minus A minus B. Here using the distance formula, that is equal to under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Here substituting the value, here the first bracket is x1 y1, second is x2 y2. So here it is under root 4 minus 2 whole square plus 1 minus 3 whole square, that is equal to under root 2 square plus minus 2 whole square. So it is equal to 4 plus 4, that is equal to root 8. Here 8 is 4 into 2. So square root of 2 is 2. Square root of 4 is 2. So it is equal to 2 root 2 unit. Now in second part, using the distance formula, we have here under root minus 1, then minus of minus 5, that is minus 1 plus 5 whole square plus 3 minus 7 whole square, that is equal to 4 square plus minus 4 square, which is equal to under root 16 plus 16, that is 32. 32 means 16 into 2. So square root of 16 is 4. So it is equal to 4 under root 2 unit. In third part, points are A, B and minus A minus B. So here using the distance formula, we get here under root minus A whole square plus minus B whole square, that is equal to minus 2a whole square plus minus 2b whole square. So here it is equal to under root 4a square plus 4b square, that is equal to 4 into bracket a square plus b square. Square root of 4 is 2. So it is equal to 2 under root a square plus b square unit. Now in question number 2, find the distance between the points 0, 0 and 36, 15. Then can you find the distance between the two towns A and B discussed in NCERT section 7.2? Here using the distance formula, distance is equal to under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So here substituting the values, we get here under root 36 minus 0 whole square plus 15 minus 0 whole square, that is equal to under root 1296 plus 225, that is equal to under root 1521, which is equal to 39 units. Square root of 1521 is 39. So it is equal to 39 units. Here in section 7.2, it was given that town B is located 36 km east and 15 km north of the town A. So it is shown in the figure here. It is the direction of east and it is direction of north. So here town B is 36 km east and 15 km north. So it is located here by point B, and here we can take the town A at origin of the Cartesian plane. So here are the coordinates of town A and town B. Town A is 0, 0 and town B is 36, 15. So here assuming town A at origin point 0, 0 and town B at point 36, 15 with respect to town A. So as calculated earlier in this question, the distance between towns A and B is 39 kilometers. So here we can find the distance by using the same formula. In question number 3, determine if the points 1, 5, 2, 3 and minus 2, minus 11 are collinear. So here let us assume that point A is 1, 5, B is 2, 3 and C is minus 2, minus 11. Since distance is equal to under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, so distance between A and B is AB. AB is equal to 2 minus 1 whole square plus 3 minus 5 whole square, that is equal to under root 1 square plus minus 2 square. So it is equal to under root 1 plus 4, that is equal to root 5 units. Similarly BC is equal to minus 2 whole square plus minus 11 minus 3 whole square, that is equal to here under root minus 4 whole square plus minus 14 whole square, which is equal to under root 16 plus 196, that is equal to root 212. Here root 212 is equal to 4 into 53. Here square root of 4 is 2, so it is equal to 2 root 53 units. And CA is equal to under root 1 minus 2, that is equal to 1 plus 2 whole square plus 5 minus 11 is 5 plus 11 whole square. So it is equal to under root 3 square plus 16 square, that is equal to under root 9 plus 256, which is equal to under root 265 units. So here see that AB plus BC means smaller measurements AB and BC. When we add these two distances, it is not equal to CA. So these points are not collinear. In question number 4, check whether points 5 minus 2, 6, 4 and 7 minus 2 are the vertices of an isosceles triangle. So here let point A 5 minus 2, B 6, 4, C 7 minus 2 are the vertices of a triangle ABC. Since distance is equal to under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, hence AB is equal to under root 6 minus 5 whole square plus 4 plus 2 whole square, that is equal to under root 1 square plus 6 square, which is equal to 1 plus 36, that is equal to root 37 units. Similarly, BC is equal to under root 7 minus 6 whole square plus minus 2 minus 4 whole square, which is equal to under root 1 square plus minus 6 whole square, that is equal to 1 plus 36, which is equal to root 37 units. And CA is equal to under root 5 minus 3 whole square plus minus 2 plus 2 whole square, that is equal to under root minus 2 whole square plus here minus 2 plus 2 is 0, so it is 0. So here it is root 4, that is equal to 2 units. Since here AB equal to BC, here two sides of a triangle are equal, hence it is a isosceles triangle. So here A, B, C are vertices of an isosceles triangle. In question number 5, in a classroom, 4 friends are seated at points A, B, C and D as shown in the figure here. Champa and Chameli walk into the class and after observing for a few minutes, Champa asks Chameli, "Don't you think ABCD is a square?" Chameli disagrees. Using distance formula, find which of them is correct. So here see that it is a Cartesian plane and 4 students are seated at point A, B, C and D. So here you have to find the coordinates of these 4 points. So coordinate of point A is here 3 and 4, 3, 4. Point B is here 6, 7 and point C is 9, 4 and point D is 6, 1. So these are the coordinates of these 4 students. So here from the given figure, A is 3, 4, B 6, 7, C 9, 4 and D is 6, 1 are the positions of 4 friends. So using distance formula, that is equal to under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Here distance between AB is equal to under root 6 minus 3 whole square plus 7 minus 4 whole square, that is equal to under root 3 square plus 3 square, that is equal to root 9 plus 9, which is equal to root 18. So here 18 is 9 into 2, square root of 9 is 3, so it is equal to 3 root 2 units. Similarly, BC is equal to under root 9 minus 6 whole square plus 4 minus 7 whole square, that is equal to root 3 square plus minus 3 square. So it is equal to root 9 plus 9, which is also equal to 3 root 2 units. Similarly, CD is equal to under root 6 minus 9 whole square plus 1 minus 4 whole square, which is equal to root 3 square plus minus 3 square. So it is also equal to 3 root 2 unit. Similarly, DA is also equal to 3 root 2 units. Now AB, BC, CD and DA are the 4 sides of a given figure. So now we have to find diagonals. So diagonal AC is equal to under root 9 minus 3 whole square plus 4 minus 4 whole square, that is equal to 6 square plus 0. So it is equal to 6 unit. Similarly, diagonal BD is equal to root 6 minus 6 whole square plus 1 minus 7 whole square, that is equal to root 6 plus 36. So it is also equal to 6 unit. So here see that sides AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to DA and diagonals AC is equal to BD. Because 4 sides are equal and diagonals are also equal to each other, hence this figure ABCD is a square and it is said by Champa, so Champa is correct. Up till now we have completed question number 1 to 5 of exercise 7.1. Now we will see the other questions in next video.